All right, Devon Digital here, everyone, and today we're going to be doing a POV with the Pixel Fold. Today we're going to see how well the camera really is. I will be shooting in RAW, so therefore I will be editing the shots as always, because that's what I do. I'm a photographer. That's kind of how I do it on this channel. If you want to see somebody to take random photos that's not edit and show you JPEGs, please feel free to find every other channel besides mine. I got RAW mode already set. Also, I just want to let y'all know one thing about one of the settings that I do turn off. I do turn off Ultra HD. I have that off. I have rich color in photos as well off. This is what I don't ever shoot with these things on ever, mainly because I shoot RAW in the first place anyways, and I don't want any type of processing. And normally in RAW, the camera does a little bit of processing when it shouldn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this big old giant viewfinder. This is very pleasing to use. So let's go ahead and get this sign. I wish I had manual focus up here, but I don't. Let me back up a little bit because I want that part of it. There we go. And because I have a little bit more pro control, but I don't have it with the Fold. We're going to find, let's get this middle part of the bridge right here. Check behind me, no cars. All right, let's get a little low. Aim, shoot. And we just happen to have a car coming. So, all right, and let's get these lines of symmetry here. Let this car go by before I hit this button though. All right. People always looking at me. They see there's a action camera at the top of my head like, oh gosh, what is he doing? What am I doing? Taking pictures, man. YouTube. And let's go ahead and get that little scenery right there. Let's see how we look. You know, I'm terrified the wind's gonna blow too hard and blow me and this Fold in the water. All right. I'm actually excited to edit these. First time I'm doing this with the Pixel 8 Pro. Well, Pixel Fold, what did I say, 8 Pro? Because I really don't like this camera up here. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not saying like it's a bad camera. It's just that it's not the Pixel 8 camera, you know? Like Google just kind of like dropped the bomb on that jank a little bit. And I was really upset. Up. I just closed the app. All right, I do got a matte screen protector for the ones that's curious. I like matte, so get that picture real quick. I did take the original one off and put a matte up there. I like matte. Matte kind of messes with your visual a little bit, so yeah. I don't really care because I ain't out here in the sun too much with the phones. But see if I can get this nice little water inside, light inside the water. Got it. Like I had a little ghosting on for a second. So yeah, I love matte. Don't really care more so for anything that's not matte. Having this huge viewfinder is really tough. I like it, really do. So let's get a product shot real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and place these OnePlus buds right here. Hold on. Let's let this car go by real quick because I actually want to do this in the street. Yeah, I'm gonna do this in the street. Get a little symmetry going on here. All right, so real talk, I'm gonna drop this Pixel Fold. So I'm gonna close it when I'm trying to operate this thing with one hand. So instead, just gonna do this. This is a lot better. All right, I got it. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, yo. It's kind of better shooting it with one hand like this. Might have to shoot with one hand for a little bit. But having that viewfinder is just so freaking dope. When you're out here doing POV, you just find the random stuff. Let's see how this is gonna look. It's gonna look nice or not? It's gonna look nice. Fence looks nice. Let's find a good part of it though. This is where I wish manual focus comes in. There you go. Focus on the fence. I hit the lock. And I want to say this about Pixels too. Like when you focus to lock, it locks somewhere else. Like I'm holding it right here to get the fence. I want to lock it on the fence, but I can't. It's an annoyance with the Pixels. Not only with my iPhone, works perfectly. My Samsung phone, perfectly. Pixel, it's confused. It's a confused phone. All right, so look, I'm gonna try to lock on this stop sign and it locks above it. So let me try to trick it, right? I'm gonna lock under it. And then it locks on the stop sign. Perfect. That's retarded. So you wanna lock under the subject instead of on the subject. Sorry to interrupt this video, but just in case you didn't know, Delvon Digital makes his own custom wallpapers. All my wallpapers will be shown in my videos that you've been watching on this channel. So if you really want to support me, go ahead and hit that link down in the description below and go grab you some nice wallpapers. I mean, these things are dope. I do give all my supporters the Delvon Digital exclusive color. And in my custom wallpaper packs, there are 15 more colors just for you. So what you waiting for? Go ahead and pause this video, hit that link, and go get you some wallpapers and come on right back and finish this up. But anyways, let's get back to the video. All right, let's get over here. Let's get this alley shot. Go ahead, open this thing up. Let's get this. Yo, why I feel like when I open this up, perfect. Like it, like it, like it. All right, let's go back to the gate shot. See if we could pull something out of this. Not liking none of this. Not liking none of this. There's a lock. Okay, get the padlock. I like that. Get that. Perfect. I remember we gotta trick it. So I want to lock at the bottom and it doesn't lock. It locks on the lock, but it didn't focus on the lock. Ah man, the Pixel Fold is dying for manual focus. Dying for manual focus. All right. I could take this lock home. All right, got it. Maybe like a top-down view from it. See if we can. I definitely want to get my shoes in there too, just to be a little bit more, you know. Let's keep it moving. All right, let's get a side angle. I love the side angles of buildings. There we go. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead. Oh, let's get another product shot this time. Let's do it. All right, action scene. Superhero landing. I gotta do that again. Here we go, superhero landing. My knees hurt. So we're gonna set this product here. Boom, got the OnePlus buds. Just got these, love them. All right, gotta get my feet out of it. So I'm gonna come in a little bit, spread my legs, boom. No homo. All right. Get that product shot. Who doesn't like product shots? So let's open it up. Let's come over here with it. Switch it up. Oh, there's some light bulbs right there. Might have to grab those, take those home. All right. Get those legs open. No homo. All right. This is distracting. All right. Let's get that shot again. Boom. All right, so I'm using the DJ4 action camera as well as the DJ Mic 2. So let me know if that rumble goes away. I guess I could review the mic and stuff at the same time. So I'm getting away from it as we speak. And what I'm gonna do is turn that noise cancellation off. All right, so we're back and we're gonna shoot all the way up there. Get a little bit of the sun, maybe. And maybe take the sun away. Just get the building itself. Perfect. Because I don't know if this is a parking garage, an apartment, or office above it, but there's probably people looking at me right now and probably see me talking to myself as well. Yeah. Let me see. Let's go ahead and get this sign. That sun right there. Let's take the sun out of it real quick. See how it come out. You want to get two of them. You don't want to just get one. I'm gonna put the sun back into it and see which one comes out better. Oh, what was that? Yeah, what if somebody was in that porta potty? That scared me. That sounds like douche. There's a fish right here. Poor fish. Okay, that fish is not part of the photography. Just want to take a picture so you can see it. All right, I hope I don't get in trouble taking pictures of somebody's boat. But let's get this shot. Got that. So what if like Jaws just came out of this water, yo? That would be crazy. Let's just get a different angle of the boat. I'm not gonna walk over there because that looked like a disaster about to happen. So let's look around in the viewfinder, see if we see anything nice. I don't really see anything nice. Maybe this shot. Yeah, maybe this shot. Yep, that's it. Let's get that focus. Tap one more time. I always like to take multiple shots when I do this. All right, so I'm gonna see y'all. Oh shit, that was a bad dog. So it turns out that the dog was very friendly, had no issues. Anyways, if you'd like to see more content like this, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Delvon Digital. Peace. Can they get kiss? Can they get kiss? Mm. Thank you.